Okay? So, magandang hapon po. Magandang hapon po. Meron po kaming temporary protection order. Kasama ko po ang sheriff ng Regional Trial Court ng Davao City, no? Kung i-allow natin, babasahin po niya yung order po ng korte. Sige po, ma'am. Doon na lang sa hands.
This court says that the urgency to direct the PNP Region 11 to immediately cease and desist from any act or omission that threatens the life, liberty, or security as well as the properties of the petitioner. The PNP is hereby ordered to remove all forms of barricades, barriers, or blockades that bar the access to and from the subject compound and hinder the petitioner's religious, academic, and proprietary rights and the pursuit thereof by the officers and members within the surroundings of the premises. Yun ang dispositive portion ng temporary restraining order at temporary protection order. So,
ilang araw po?
Walang duration.
Walang duration na nakalagay until the notice of hearing will be served regarding this protection order.
So klaro po, walang duration. So dapat po ang mga pulis, salamat po sa inyo, pwede na po kayong umalis. Yun po ang order ng korte. Kailangan po nila i-remove yung mga barriers, kailangan nila i-remove yung barricades, blockades, no? That bar the access to and from the subject compound and hinder, ito importante, hinder petitioners' religious, academic, and proprietary rights and the pursuit thereof by its officers and members within and surrounding the premises. So, yung mga pulis ay inorderan po na umalis na po dito sa KOJC compound. So, yun po ang order at nakausap ko na po si General Torre. Sinabihan ko siya na may order na. Sinabihan ko siya, sir, pwede na po kayo umalis. Saan po ba kayo? Nandun daw siya sa regional office. So pinapunta niya ako doon, kasama yung sheriff. So puntahan po namin siya doon para ma-serve po ito formally, itong order po ng korte. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.